to Heather's Crafty Classroom. I just wanted to come on here real quick and show you project 3 of my recent fun projects. So you know that I used Michelle Allen's free tutorial on her channel to make this awesome photo cube, right? So this I made it. It's totally adorable, folds all different kinds of ways. I absolutely adore this. So this is the first project, right? This is using her tutorial. Amazing. But I decided I would try to make it a little bigger. So video 2 was making it bigger. This one is approximately 6 by 6 cubes. This one I made approximately 8 by 8. It does the same exact stuff, just a bigger size. So then, my brain, I made the baby. The baby, this cube is only 4 by 4. And this I used because I do have the, what's that, little baby printer sprocket, HP sprocket. And it does 2 by 3 photos. So I thought, oh, I can print out photos in there and do it and make the little 4-inch. So this is my 4-inch version of using little photos. And they're all a little different the way I did photos and stuff. But I just think it's so dang cute. So dang cute. This is my favorite. I don't know why. I just love. So as much as I wanted a little bigger one when I first started, the little baby is like my favorite. Because I have that sprocket and that does 2 by 3 photos. So I just cut off a little bit from the top and bottom and use those. So I just had to come on and show you my obsession. I think I might be done now. We'll see what happens. You never know. I may make more. This I just used, just so you know, my paper was the last of a collection I had. I think I have a little bit of doohickeys left, but Here, There, and Everywhere by Cartabella. This is the collection I used. I have like one full sheet left, and then some scraps. And I think that's about it. So, but this turned out so cute. I love all of these so much. So we have the original, we have the big one, and now we have the little baby one. So I just had to come on and share. I appreciate you guys for watching and liking my videos. I really, really appreciate it. We'll see what comes up next. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye.